tayo. Kahit day lang.
So you build that wall.
Yeah.
So you build that wall. And you make it stronger. You have no right to ask me how I feel.
Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Maybe it's wrong to say please love me too. And I'm like, no, you somebody else way.
Kanya-kanya na yun.
You do. Maybe it's wrong to say please no.
Hindi. Ako, siguro pala.
Pwede
ba? Sige na nga ako kukuha.
Yung maganda naman.
Ay, ano nga eh?
Take my hand.
Puro ano na yan eh.
Kuha.
30 cent yun ako.
Ay, iba.
Ay, iba.
Feel my
Ano.
love.
It might be.
Always
Ay,
there
hindi.
beside you. Be the one.
Without a doubt, I gave you all my life. Diba? Now and forever till the
Day I die.
Parang high school pa ako niyan, no?
You and I will share.
Lapihin mo yung lyrics.
Team, don't be sad.
All
The things this changing world can offer. And so I say, I'll be happy just to stay this way.
Paano mo ibihan?
Spend this day with you.
Baka nangalgal na to, ah.
There was a time when I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Started on my way.
Sabi mo, bagay?
I do recall that every moment spent was
Mike,
time. But then I chose to lay it on the line.
Diba?
I would have passed away, would have passed away, would have passed away.
I love you, baby. Ang ina sa I love you, baby. Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. From the one to stop. From your friends Auntie Joy and Benji and Michael.
You wanna greet you?
And happy birthday and many more birthdays to come.
That's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jerry. Good luck.
Boom.
Nakadaw po ka.
How old are you
Isang tawag lang yun eh.
now?
Oo.
Ay, hindi ba ikaw, si Jerry? Ang dami niyang ka-birthday sa amin.
Parang isang tawag lang yung pa.
Sa isip ko'y yakap ka pa.
Ay, sige na ba? Konti na.
Sa isip ko'y walang iba. Mananatili.
Yes.
Ikaw ang kapili.
Alright, dali.
Kahit sa
Parang ako lang yan, Ding, ah.
ko
Ano ba?
lang.
Parang sa ko lang yan. Sabi mo hanggang ngayon ni Kyla.
Ay,
Yun ang
putang
maganda.
ina.
Diba? Ano yun? Paano ba simula nito?
Ano?
Yung, ba't hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin.